This is Derek Wilder with Virtuemart Shipping, and in this training video we're going to show you how to customize shipping based on zip codes. So the first thing we're going to do is log into the back end of Joomla and then hover over Components and click Virtuemart. Now click on Shop. Once we click on Shop, click on VM Shipping. Okay, right now we have the Nysaw H01 with a base shipping charge of $5 and then $1 for each additional unit. What we're going to show you now is how to customize shipping down to the zip code level. So let's click on Configure International Shipping. Here in the United States we already have a $15 surcharge, $10 shipping plus $5 packaging, on any shipment that goes to the United States. But let's say that we want to be able to only charge this $15 shipping to a certain zip code. So go ahead and click on United States, and then as you come down here you'll see in zip range start, let's make this 40000, and let's make the end zip code range 50000, and then click Add and Back, and then click on Configure International Shipping, and you'll see that we have a zip code range now in the United States. So now this $15 shipping fee is only going to be added to zip codes between 40000 and 50000. So now we'll add a new shipping rate. We're going to call this United States 2, list order 2, owner shipped. The country will be, of course, United States. Now this zip code we're going to start at 50001 and end at 60000. We're going to put 0 in for the lowest weight and 999 in the highest weight. The shipping fee here is going to be a flat $50, packaging fee of 0. Currency of US dollars, and click Add, and then click Back and Configure International Shipping. So now we're back to the Configure International Shipping screen. You'll notice the United States and the zip codes from 4000 to 5 is going to be charged a $15 shipping surcharge on top of the normal flat rate shipping costs. However, in zip codes from 50001 up to 6, we're going to charge a shipping fee of $50 to the shipment above and beyond the per product shipping charges that we've already configured. Now before we go to the front end, I want to show you one other thing that's very important. Let's go ahead and click on Add New Shipping Rate. This time we're going to add a new shipping rate for the Netherlands. And list order 4, shipper owner shipped. Click on the Netherlands for the country. Now as many of you know, in certain countries zip codes don't necessarily have all numeric values. So for instance, if the Netherlands has a zip code 1000AA and let's end it with 2000BB, this zip code range works. However, the Virtuemart shipping component does not recognize alphabetical zip code digits. So in order for this to work in the Netherlands, we've got to make sure we take away the alphabetical digits at the end of the zip codes. If we do take away those alphabetical digits, then we can just simply fill in the rest of the fields. Shipping fee of 20, packaging fee of 10, US dollar for the currency, and then we can click Add. But before we click Add, I want to make one more note. There are certain countries that their zip codes start with an alphabetical digit, like this, AA 1000 and BB 2000. This type of zip code is not workable with the Virtuemart shipping component. It only sees numerical values. So we're going to take away the alphabetical digits and then click Add. And now click Back. Now we can go back into the Configure International Shipping to see the list of customizations we've made, and we're going to go to the front end now, and we're going to look at how the shipping charges per zip code works. So what we're going to see is a $15 charge for zip codes in the 4 to 5 range and a $50 charge for zip codes in the 5 to 6 range in the United States. So here we are in the front end, and we're going to click on Nice Saw, and we're going to add 1 to the cart. Click Show Cart. Notice what the zip code is. It's 46201, so it's between 4 and 5, and the shipping rate is $21. Now remember, our base shipping charge is $5 for the first unit and $1 for each additional unit. So these 2 units, we're going to have a flat rate shipping charge of $6, but we're also going to charge an additional $15 on the entire shipment for the zip code range. So we have $6 plus 15 is your $21. However, let's click Edit Billing Address and Shipping Address. Okay. We're going to change this from 46201 to 56201 and click Save. Now we're going to refresh the page, and notice the zip code is 56201. So now the shipping rate has changed. Again, we have $5 for the first unit and $1 for each additional unit for the flat rate shipping charge, which is $6. We also have a $50 charge for the entire shipment for shipping to this particular zip code that's between 50000 and 60000. So for a total of $56. Then the user simply agrees to the terms of service, clicks Checkout Now to finish the transaction. In the next training video, we're going to show you how to apply tax on shipping costs.